watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment.
Before we get too far into today's video, I do want to show you, this is the iSpring EDV2 electronic water descaler. You can use this at your permanent residence, or you can actually use this as a renter. I was able to install this in our apartment within about 15 minutes. The EDV2 has a lot of benefits, but for healthier skin and hair, protecting your pipes and appliances by saving money with salt-free maintenance, there's an easy no-drill installation, and cleaner water that keeps the natural minerals. So the EDV2 reduces scale inside the pipes and protects appliances by using a powerful 12-watt electromagnetic pulse to reduce scale buildup inside. Alright, so this area is a mess. I'm going to try and clean it up as best as possible before installing that. But I'm just going to wipe everything down because it's super dusty. But we are going to be wrapping that cream colored pipe right there. You want to avoid the black ones. If you're in an apartment, those go to your HVAC. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We'll install it on the wall and plug it in. I'm going to do a deep clean really quickly. It helps improve water quality, lowers energy consumption, and extends the lifespan of appliances like water heaters, washing machines, and dishwashers. It's way more affordable and eco-friendly. Unlike your traditional water softener, the EDV2 requires no salt, no chemicals, and no refills. I remember growing up and having to help my grandpa with those giant heavy bags of salt. You don't have to do that with this. So not only does it keep your maintenance costs low, but it's better for the environment and your wallet. It was super easy to install, and it's compatible with all pipe types. You install the EDV2 entirely from the outside of the pipe. So no drilling, no cutting, and no plumber needed. Trust me, I had zero training before installing this. The directions were so easy. It's compatible with the PEX, PVC, copper, and more. So like I said, it's perfect for homeowners and renters. And it's going to be just as easy to take down. So we'll be able to take it to our next home, which will be our permanent home. Okay, now we need to wrap this wire around that tube really tightly. The EDV2 does not remove calcium or magnesium, but instead it alters their structure to prevent scale, allowing the water to retain its natural healthy minerals. So your wires should be looking like that, very tight, and then you are provided with a couple ties and you will put them on each end. Man, I feel like our apartment did some like crazy DIY stuff, I feel like. Okay, so now we take the cords and plug them in, just like this. Easy. And we are going to plug this into the outlet. Alright, to know if this is working correctly, your power button will stay green and your blue coil light should be blinking every 2.5 seconds. So it is working. It's starting to descale the water. All the information about this product will be down below in my description box, as well as a link, so please go check it out. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete.
Hold on, Papa. Okay, so I put my calendar, my digital one, in our office, and I'm going to take the little nodule? I still have to take this part down that went to it, and then I'm going to take these couple stars off and these screws out. I'm going to fill the holes. But I got this rack from Target. It was like 25 bucks. So I'm actually gonna put it above here. That way when we hang our jackets and stuff, it covers the electrical box. It screws on the outside and this is wider than the electrical box. So let's hope I don't get electrocuted.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will.
This is insane. God is on my side because it literally missed the entire camera. Holy moly. Now, figuring out how to get that out of that. Okay.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay. Round and round forever, searching for something that could never get replaced. Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting for any
an odd person. I run in dark circles. I would love a long life, cause I love how life's worthless. I'ma paint purple, cause blue's overrated. We all outdated, we all so jaded. We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark place when it's all about the paper. Counting pretty cards before they deal you something heinous. I've been steady sitting on my ass. I'm so contemporaneous, in love with my behavior. But really I could probably try and be something greater. I'm my favorite, you could tell me something different, but I probably wouldn't listen. No, I probably wouldn't listen. The word, that's the ego, scared it's taking over. But fuck it if it's fun to run my tongue up on these road fronts. But I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful. I sound scared, hope you feel that my heart's there though.